Hey everybody, welcome to our patent litigation page. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. This page has got it all. If you've ever thought about or actually ever received a cease and desist letter, this is how to respond. Breathe. Get counsel. Make sure you're not doing an emotional gut reaction. That's really the number one thing I want you to learn. If you do anything at all on this page, you just realize that it's going to be all right. You need to analyze those threats in the letter. Or if you're on the plaintiff side, maybe you want to write a nasty letter against an infringer, take a pause, take a beat, get some advice from counsel. Make sure that what you're looking at is actually infringement, and whether you might be able to turn it around and instead of being adversarial, be more like a business partner. That's right. A lot of times infringers turn into business partners. So read below, check out all the different bullet points here on patent litigation. This is the ultimate guide. We've written a full spread, all the diligence you need to do before engaging in writing a letter, threatening lawsuits, and honestly, going down the path that might be most expensive. And is this really the time to have your day in court? Maybe it is, but you want to make sure you take a really hard look before you leap into this journey. So have a look at our page. Please get hold of us on our free discovery call. Contact us today if you have any questions about where you're at in this process. Our patent attorneys stand ready to help you get started today. All right, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day out there. Go big, go bold.